Hi everybody, this is Purnachandra from PEIT Consultants, and today we'll discuss about the Spring Boot simple application. We're going to see today how it's going to work and all we'll see. So first of all, I'm going to create a new project. The new project is, we can select with the Spring Starter project. Let me select that, the Spring Starter project. And here, the project name, I'm giving it as it is a web application. I'm taking it as a web application. I'm just giving it as a web application 1. This is my project name, web application 1. And the package name, I'm giving it as com.web apps is my package name. And description, if you wanted to change, you can change it. I'm giving it as web demo 1. That's my description. And so you don't need to change anything. That's the project name and the package name. You can change it. And the group ID. So keep it the same, the package and the group ID you want. So created, say next. And here, as it is a web project, we are going to select a Spring Web. Spring Web, you can select it. And then say next. So it is going to get all the things, configuration settings and all from the starter.spring.io. From the cloud environment is going to get it, and locally it's going to configure your application. So let's wait for some time and it's going to finish up. Yeah, it's been the project configuration and everything been set up. And now if you open pom.xml, there you can see what we have selected previously. We have selected a web starter, right? You can see that the web dependency has been added automatically. So to work with this, so everybody need to have a Spring tool suite. You can have an Spring tool suite. STS is a tool. You can download it, and you can develop the Spring starter projects and all. So by default, it also added the testing dependencies to the project. So if you see, these are all the things, and Maven dependencies has been all automatically configured, like the supporting Jackson. I mean, the RESTful API supporting files also been added to this project. Now, let us develop an application and let us run the class and we'll see. First of all, as this is an empty, and this is by default class file which has been created at the time of project creation itself. We don't need to create manually this main class. If you selected with the starter, so automatically this class will be created automatically. So this has taken the project name itself, like web application 1 application, it seems. So it has been automatically created. So this is the file which we have to run the application. So let me run this. Of course, we don't have anything to see output, but I would like to tell you like what will happen if I run this empty application. So whether this application is running or not, you can see here. You have an embedded Tomcat. The Tomcat has been started on 8080. So that means the application is working fine. So now let us write some code. Let me take it a new class. The class name is, I'm saying it as a hello controller. As it is a basic program, I'm writing just it as a hello controller and say finish up. And here, the hello controller class got created. So to make sure that this is a controller, so you need to annotate with the controller. What we have to do, annotate with the annotation controller, as it is a controller class. It's a controller class. So we are editing with this at controller. So we have I have made it as at controller. So the supporting things you are supposed to import. So this is from Spring Framework sheet type controller. So we have imported. Now let me create a method. The method name, let us say public string hello one is my method. So this is my method, and I would like to return a message because the return type of method is string over here. So that's the reason we are going to return a message. Return string message. Hello there. I have just written hello there message. And to identify this method, we are going to use at request mapping. At request mapping as an annotation. And to call this method, we are going to use the URI. Hello. Hello is the URI which we are going to use it. So we are going to use hello here. And let me import the associated annotation over here. The associated imports we needed. And also we are going to bind response body. So that's the reason we need to write response body annotation over here, because it's going to bind the text. Hello there is the text as a written. So we are going to bind it to that method who's going to call. So the class has been ready. So let me stop that as we have done the changes in the class. I mean, the controller class is ready. So let me rerun the application again back. So which one we have to run? Again, your main class. Your main class is nothing but which has been annotated with that Spring Boot application that I'm going to run it back. And let's see what will happen. So, I run the application and there are any errors. So no, there are no errors, and Tomcat is running successfully on the port number 880. So let us go to that web and let us give a request localhost 880. And what is the URL? Hello 1. What is the URI? So it's just only hello. So see here, we got the message, hello there. So this is the method, and this is the way a simple Spring Boot application should be developed. Simple Spring Boot web application, we can develop it. And if you want to have any other methods also, you can write it just in the same way. Like you can write it any other method, public string again back, string and saying hello to, you can write it. And you can have some piece of code again back, return hello there, PEIT. And you can annotate again back, request mapping and response body. And here, I'm just writing it as hello to. So somebody has to call this method. They have to use hello to. So there is an error, just a minute. So error has been gone. And let me, as we have done the changes, let me stop the server. And let us rerun the application again back. Let us go to the main application. And let me rerun the application again back. Run as Spring Boot app. I'm running it as Spring Boot again back. And let us go to the browser back again and we'll see. So previously it was hello. And now this is, we're going to call the second method hello2. And you see that hello.pet. So this way you can create a simple Spring Boot web application and you can call it. So when I say the URI hello, and it's going to call hello1 method. And when I say the URI hello2, and it's going to call the hello2 method. Like this, you can create a Spring Boot simple web application. For more things, we'll discuss in the upcoming sessions. Thank you. Thank you all.